How can microfluidics revolutionize commercial products with microdroplets and microcapsules? Microfluidics, often called the science of tiny flows, enables precise manipulation of fluids at the microscopic scale, opening the door to innovative commercial products using microdroplets and microcapsules. These tiny controlled structures are created by flowing immiscible fluids through specially designed channels, where they break into uniform droplets or encapsulate materials within protective shells. Microdroplets serve as miniature reactors, ideal for applications like drug development, where precise amounts of chemicals can react without waste. For example, microdroplets can encapsulate therapeutic compounds for targeted drug delivery, releasing them only in specific environments, such as acidic tumor sites. They're also transforming cosmetics, enabling encapsulated fragrances or active skincare ingredients that release over time for prolonged effects. Microcapsules, with their protective outer layers, offer additional versatility. In the food industry, they're used to encapsulate probiotics, protecting them from stomach acids and ensuring they reach the gut. In agriculture, microcapsules can store fertilizers or pesticides, releasing them gradually for sustainable farming. Even in textiles, microcapsules are used to embed scents or antimicrobial agents into fabrics, creating self-cleaning or odor, neutralizing clothing. Imagine microdroplets as perfectly measured ingredients in a recipe, while microcapsules act as tiny time-release packages that deliver their contents exactly when and where needed. By combining precision engineering with scalable manufacturing, microfluidics is enabling the creation of high-value products across medicine, food, cosmetics, and more, bringing science to everyday life. Microfluidics, the science of manipulating small volumes of fluids, typically in the nanoliter to microliter range, through precisely designed channels, enables the creation of microdroplets and microcapsules with unparalleled control over size, composition, and functionality. Microdroplets are isolated fluid particles suspended in another immiscible fluid, while microcapsules consist of a core material enclosed within a solid or semi-solid shell. The precision of microfluidics makes it ideal for developing commercial products in industries like pharmaceuticals, food, cosmetics, and agriculture. By miniaturizing processes, microfluidics reduces reagent consumption, enhances efficiency, and offers scalability for high-throughput production. It also allows customization of properties, such as encapsulation, efficiency, release profiles, and environmental responsiveness. In personalized medicine, microfluidics is used to encapsulate specific drug doses tailored to individual patients, improving therapeutic outcomes and minimizing side effects. Microfluidics is like a high-tech artisan workshop, crafting microscopic products with precision and consistency. Microdroplets, tiny reaction chambers. Microdroplets are formed in microfluidic devices using methods such as flow, focusing, co-flow, or T-junction geometries where immiscible fluids interact. These droplets act as miniature reaction vessels, isolating individual reactions or analytes. The ability to produce highly uniform droplets ensures consistent conditions for experiments, synthesis, or diagnostics. Microdroplets are widely used for high-throughput screening, where thousands of individual reactions can occur simultaneously. Their small size reduces reagent costs and waste while enabling rapid chemical or biological analysis. Droplets can also be functionalized with surfactants or embedded particles to create tailored properties for specific applications. Microdroplets are used in next-generation sequencing, encapsulating single DNA molecules for individual amplification and analysis. Microdroplets are like miniaturized laboratories, allowing controlled experiments to take place in tiny self-contained spaces. Microcapsules. Encapsulation for targeted delivery. Microcapsules are spherical structures that protect and deliver active ingredients. In microfluidics, their production is precisely controlled by manipulating fluid flows and material properties. The core material can include drugs, flavors, nutrients, or chemicals, while the shell material is chosen for its biocompatibility, degradability, or environmental stability. Encapsulation ensures the active ingredient remains protected from external factors such as light, heat, or oxidation until it reaches its target. This is critical in fields like pharmaceuticals, where controlled release mechanisms improve patient compliance and therapeutic efficacy. Microfluidics allows for fine-tuning of parameters such as capsule size, shell thickness, and release kinetics. Microcapsules containing probiotics are designed to withstand stomach acidity and release beneficial bacteria in the intestine. Microcapsules are like high-tech delivery drones, ensuring their payload reaches its destination safely and efficiently. Applications in the pharmaceutical industry. Microfluidic technologies have transformed drug development and delivery. In drug formulation, microfluidiction of uniform reproducible drug-loaded microcapsules that ensure consistent dosages and release profiles. This reduces variability in treatment and enhances therapeutic outcomes. Microfluidic devices also enable the production of liposomes, nanoparticles, and emulsions for drug delivery, providing solutions for hydrophobic drugs, targeted delivery, and reduced side effects. Additionally, microfluidic droplets are used in preclinical drug screening, enabling rapid testing of drug interactions and toxicity in isolated environments. Cancer drugs encapsulated in microfluidic liposomes improve targeted delivery to tumor cells, reducing systemic side effects. Microfluidics in pharmaceuticals is like a master chef preparing perfectly portioned meals, ensuring consistency and quality in every serving. Food and beverage innovations. In the food industry, microfluidics supports the development of functional foods by encapsulating flavors, nutrients, or probiotics into microcapsules. Encapsulation protects these ingredients from degradation during processing, storage, and digestion, ensuring their bioavailability. Microfluidic droplet technology is also used to create emulsions for improving the texture and stability of food products such as salad dressings, creams, or beverages. Droplet-based microfluidics enables the controlled release of flavors or nutrients, enhancing sensory experiences and nutritional value. Encapsulation of omega-3 fatty acids in microcapsules ensures their stability in fortified foods like milk or bread. Microfluidic applications in food are like gourmet chefs creating flavorful dishes with hidden health benefits. Cosmetic and personal care applications. In cosmetics, microfluidics enables the encapsulation of active ingredients such as vitamins, peptides, and fragrances, ensuring their protection from environmental degradation. Encapsulation also provides sustained release, enhancing the efficacy and longevity of cosmetic products. Microfluidic techniques allow for the precise control of particle size and distribution in emulsions, improving product texture, absorption, and stability. This is particularly important for anti-aging serums, sunscreens, and moisturizing creams, where uniformity affects performance. Microcapsules in sunscreens encapsulate UVF filters, preventing premature degradation and providing longer, lasting protection. Microfluidics in cosmetics is like a designer ensuring every detail of a product contributes to its elegance and effectiveness. Environmental and industrial applications. Microfluidics is revolutionizing environmental and industrial applications by creating microcapsules for controlled release of fertilizers, pesticides, and water treatment chemicals. These solutions reduce environmental impact, improve efficiency, and minimize waste. In industrial settings, microdroplet technology is used to synthesize nanoparticles, polymers, and advanced materials. The controlled environment of microfluidics ensures uniformity and high-quality output, even for complex chemical processes. Biodegradable microcapsules for fertilizers ensure slow nutrient release, reducing leaching and enhancing crop yield. Microfluidics in agriculture and industry is like eco-friendly packaging, delivering results while protecting the planet. Challenges in scaling microfluidic products. Scaling microfluidic processes from lab scale to industrial scale production is challenging due to the complexity of device fabrication and fluid dynamics at the microscale. Ensuring uniformity and throughput at larger scales requires advanced engineering solutions, such as parallelization of multiple microfluidic channels. Cost is another barrier, as specialized materials and equipment are required. Recent advancements in 3D printing and modular designs are reducing costs and enabling mass production of microfluidic devices, making the technology more accessible for commercial applications. Parallelized microfluidic devices have been developed to produce thousands of microcapsules per second, addressing the demands of large-scale pharmaceutical manufacturing. Scaling microfluidic production is like expanding a boutique workshop into a high-tech factory while maintaining craftsmanship. Future trends in microfluidic product development. Future advancements in microfluidics focus on integrating smart materials and automation. Responsive microcapsules, which release their payload in response to environmental triggers like temperature or light, are being developed for targeted applications. Combining microfluidics with artificial intelligence and machine learning enables predictive modeling and optimization of device designs, reducing development time and costs. The integration of microfluidic devices with portable systems opens new possibilities for field applications in agriculture, diagnostics, and environmental monitoring. Smart microcapsules are being explored for delivering drugs directly to cancer cells, triggered by the acidic environment of tumors. Future microfluidic products are like adaptive tools, evolving to meet the complex demands of modern industries.